Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make UK hard house easy method. Start by setting your DAW to 160 BPM and pick a 909 style kick that punches. Load punchy claps, crisp hats, and a bright percussion loop to lock groove. Create a bass line with offbeat stabs and sidechain to the kick for bounce. Add a detuned saw lead, short reverb, and simple automation to build tension and release. In this video, I will show how to make UK hard house easy method. Program a steady 4 on the floor kick and layer additional transient layers for punch. Put claps on beats 2 and 4 and sprinkle percussive loops to enhance movement. Add open hats on steady 8th notes and triplet closed hat rolls to create syncopation. Use light compression and a touch of saturation to glue drum elements together with energy. In this video, I will show how to make UK hard house easy method. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight, has a glare-free screen, and long battery life so you can read while your track renders. If you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can make more content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make UK hard house easy method. Start your bass with a squelchy saw or square oscillator and sequence offbeat stabs with octave jumps. Sidechain compress the bass to the kick so energy pumps cleanly and add mild saturation for grit. For the main lead, use 2 detuned saw voices, short release, and light chorus to create a wide, aggressive melody that cuts through the mix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.